This is Mike Bowman!
And this, folks, is the part of the day where the makeup goes from fresh and ready to party wedding guest to Bucky Barnes Winter Soldier. You're not quite that bad as far as the smudging, and it's not that dark. If I'd done darker eyeliner, it would be worse. But I was smart and did not. And this lighting, I don't even think it's just, doing it justice on just how blue. Like, almost bruised my under eyes. Look, I promise those aren't bags. That's just makeup slowly just going. But it has been 12 hours. I'm tired and full from the reception, and not drunk, thankfully. I did have 2 glasses of wine, but I made sure to eat and drink plenty of water. But still need to go to bed. Tired. Very tired. I love how this is like a tech inception. You're watching videos of you previously doing technological experiments, playing with different things, controlling said videos with another piece of technology that you did. Took a bit of a detour on my way home. Head around a circle. I got the black and white checkers up for the 500. It's so weird to think that they're going to be running the Indianapolis 500 this weekend. It's August. Is it this weekend? Next weekend? I've lost track, actually. To be perfectly honest with you. I'm starting to forget. Soon, sometime this month, in August, which is incorrect. That's not when the 500 is supposed to occur. It's supposed to occur in May. But the unpleasantness, as it has been known, caused that to not happen. So everything's all decked up and ready to go for the 500 coming up soon in August. So, except they're going to run it without people, just like all the other sports. So there's not even going to be like fans and stuff in the stands. It'd be weird. Oh well, it is what it is. What are you doing hanging out here, huh? Well, I see how it is. Just in case you were curious what Santa drives in the off season, apparently it's a Kia. It's raining, just a little. Good thing I don't need to go anywhere. Finally getting around to replacing the screen protector that's been on my phone since I got it several years ago. Imagine how, like, my screen would have been destroyed ages ago if I hadn't had this protector, because look at the state it's in. So, I got this kit, and should be fairly straightforward as long as I don't put it down cockeyed, and I clean the screen properly first. So, yeah. I picked this up ages ago and I just haven't bothered to do it. But I got the time, I got the energy. Might as well. Much better. I did end up with a air bubble right there that I can't quite get out, but other than that, woo, plugception. Other than that, looks much better. Crazy. I don't know why I let it go that long. My mom would be like, "Did you fix your phone?" I'm like, it's not the actual screen, it's just the protector. Anyway, it's gorgeous out. It's like low 80s. Oh yeah, that is a flattering angle. Woo! But what are you gonna do? I have to. Well, first I gotta go gas. Otherwise, I'm not getting anywhere. When you don't go anywhere, it's like the only place I go is the gym, which isn't far enough away to really use up a lot of gas. So I'm filling up my gas tank like maybe twice a month, if that. But I gotta go get gas, and then I have to go to campus for a COVID test. So as far as I know, I've not been exposed. But they are doing random testing. They're testing all the students that came back to campus, and then they were testing any staff and faculty working on campus, and then they're randomly picking staff and faculty of staff, not faculty, but still, they're randomly selecting folks for testing just for data sets. And like, if you're not coming to campus, you're never going to come on campus for any reason. Oh, there you guys go, sorry. Like, ever, then you could tell them that and be like, I don't need to be tested, because it would come back negative, more than likely, I guess. And I have no reason to go on campus. It's actually the first time, other than, no, I've not been on campus since March, when all of this started. I've been downtown near campus, cutting through campus to go take Chauncey's car to the dealership to get worked on, but otherwise, I've not actually gone to campus since March. But Chauncey is occasionally working from campus, and he has been on campus at least once a week for the last couple of weeks. And I mean, of course, he's wearing a mask while he's there and all that, but still, the fact that he's going there, working alongside other people, even with taking precautions of wearing masks and all that, because he's going and potentially could be exposed, and then coming home to me, potentially exposing me. So it's just a good precaution, I guess. This is not like the up the nose test, which if you've ever had a flu test, is very similar. This is just a spit test, and it's not antibodies or anything. But yeah, so I hope it comes back negative. I don't have any symptoms. I guess I could have it be asymptomatic, but I hope that's not the case. That, you know, precautions that Chauncey and his co-workers have been taking has been sufficient. But I guess we'll find out. But that's my little lunchtime thing that I have to go out and do with Cass and for COVID.